Can we hear that?
Yep.
Alright, during this, I need everyone to do me a favour, because the only reason I'm going to do this is to get you guys absolutely popping out of your seats with extreme excitement, because we've got people who've been waiting backstage for nearly 2 hours, and they don't need to come out to people who are just feeling a bit tired, so we're going to do this, we're going to ramp up. So Mr. Sound Guy, Mr. Lighting Man, if you can give me all the smoke and all the lighting effects, so that I get to think to myself, I am the Cure in 1980.
Yeah.
We don't have time for an encore.